How to add a credit or a debit card to Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in roblox.com and then search for it. Now click on the option Continue in Browser. You'll be directed to the login page. Now go ahead and type in your Roblox account's credentials, username, email or phone number, and the password. After you type in, click on Login. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Settings. Now click on this drop down for account info. The fun options will appear. Click on the option Payment Methods. Now click on the option of Add. With that, you'll get the option to add debit or credit card. Now here you can type in your card number, expiration date, security code. Likewise, set your billing email and billing address and click on Save. With that, your payment method on Roblox will be updated. So, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily add credit or a debit card on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.